Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Apple Watch and new iPhone above 50%, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and sign into the same Apple ID. Once done, open the Watch app on the iPhone and choose to pair a new watch. You must decide whether to restore from backup or set up as new. Make sure the watch displays the pairing animation and keep devices close. These first actions avoid activation lock and save configuration time. Now continue by choosing whether to restore from a backup or set the watch up as new. Restoring preserves health and settings, while a fresh setup removes prior data. Enter your Apple ID, iPhone passcode, and watch passcode when prompted. This authorizes activation lock and syncs iCloud. Make sure to enable location services, Siri, and cellular if you use an eSIM. Install needed apps and update Watch OS if offered. Keep both devices nearby until finish by allowing the full sync to complete. This can take several minutes depending on data size. Once done, review health, activity, and watch settings to confirm that watch faces, complications, and notification preferences are correct. Set up Apple Pay and emergency SOS if desired. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then restart both devices. If pairing still fails, unpair the watch from the previous iPhone or erase the watch and retry pairing. This resolves most common transfer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.